There's quite a few dogs here today. Buster just comes in and, of course, picks the biggest dog, which was a pit bull, to chase and bite in the butt, and he almost got himself chomped. Oh my God. The mosquitoes are starting already. I look like I cut my hair, but it's not. It's in a ponytail. To bring my lavender and lemongrass spray from now on, because it's starting with the mosquitoes a lot. I've been so busy lately with everybody, can you do this, can you do that type of thing. I'm watching the ground because there's lots of stumps down there. I don't want to trip and fall. So I was supposed to pick some papers up for my daughter yesterday, but she forgot them at work. So today I'm supposed to take her. I can't stay at the park very long because I was supposed to take her to where she needed to go with those papers today. And then she has to go to work, I think. Or, no, we just have to take her before the place closes. But, I was going to camp this weekend, but I decided not to because I, wanted to go to this thing on Sunday. But that was kind of a wash because it was so hot. I took the dogs, and that was a mistake because it was just too hot in the van for them to stay in there. So I went to the place, but walked around a little bit with them so they could get outside, and never ended up going to the place. So here comes a big dog. It's not as warm as it was the other day, but it's getting nice now. And of course I wore pants today. Hey, Ben. Oh, no. Come on, guys. Bow. Oh, no. She sounds so vicious, but she's really not. She's a Jack Russell pug. She don't like when people get on her too much.
Yeah, yeah.
You know? They're old, you know? And he likes to chase. He'll chase like the...
He loves messing around with smaller dogs.
He'll chase the biggest dog in the park, that one over there.
Yeah.
And he'll bite your butt so you'll run, you know, and a lot of dogs don't like that. Hi. He wants to get chased. Look at him. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with this camera. I think it's recording and then it's not. It sounded like there was a fight across the way. So that's why I didn't want to go over there. Yeah, they crossed over and went to the other side of the water. Not my dogs, but the other ones. Too deep, Belle? Can't get down there? Yeah, you probably won't get back up. Here comes little Fluffy. They all had a bath yesterday. And I was like, do I really want to bring them here? Because they get so dirty. Oh, here comes a couple other dogs. In the trees. Hi. Oh. They're cute. Oh, is this a puppy?
Yeah.
Oh, how old?
Like 9 months.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, 9 months, 6 years, and 13 years.
Oh yeah, mine are pretty old. They're like 11. This one's 10. And the other two are 11.
Yeah, that's my 13-year-old there.
Oh, hi. Hi, you're fluffy like Benny. Oh, be good boy, Buster, okay?
All right. Have a good day.
Hi. You too. Bye-bye. We're going through the woods, and like I said, I don't know how long I can be back here because I gotta take my daughter somewhere. That's from Pennsylvania, near like Coatesville, Downingtown, Exton, that area. And if you know any nice places to go, like nature-wise, put them in the comments. Because, I mean, I know we have nature preserves around here, and I have done videos with them, but I'm looking for something beachy. I mean, we don't really have beaches here unless you go to New Jersey, but, you know, something where there's a lot of land, water, you can camp there for free. We have no BLM land that I know in my area. Like none. So I'm kind of looking if anybody knows God, I think these are what I'm smelling. If I'm not mistaken, they smell so good. They might be jasmine. I think they might be. Oh, I think I see more along the way. Up here more. Oh, they're white. My eyes aren't that great, but I think they might be the same thing. I think they are. There's more, there's like trees of them, or bushes of them, whatever you want to call it. Here's... Anyway, I'm getting the crap bit out of me by those mosquitoes here. I just kind of looked up those flowers with the picture, and one said primrose and the other one said jasmine. Hi. Hi. Hi, hi. What you going? What you doing? What you doing? He wants to get chased. Don't you? Aw.
Well, I never go back here, but this is my granddaughter.
Oh.
So she's going with me back here. I usually don't come by myself back here.
Yeah.